How to replace the air filter in your 2007 to 2014 GM truck with the 5.3 liter Vortec motor. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. To access the air filter, you'll need to remove 3 T25 Torx Bit screws from the airbox cover. The first here, second here, and third here. So loosen the first screw, and it kind of wiggles around a bit, but the screw actually doesn't come out, it stays in. Loosen the second screw. And finally, the third screw. So with the 3 screws out, we can lift up on our cover, and now we can remove our air filter. If there's any trash or debris in the air box, this is a great time to vacuum it out. So now I'm going to reinstall the air filter and get everything back together. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.